Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Today, we're exploring exciting new projects that are paving the way for a sustainable future. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Fuel Cell Store, established in 1999, has been at the forefront of the fuel cell industry for over 2 decades. As a pioneer in the field, it began its journey in Boulder, Colorado, and later moved to Bryan, Texas, to enhance its distribution capabilities. The store's mission is to provide a comprehensive range of fuel cell products and technologies, catering to a wide audience including educators, students, hobbyists, and professionals in the renewable energy sector. The significance of the Fuel Cell Store lies in its extensive product range and commitment to promoting renewable energy. It offers everything from basic educational kits to sophisticated fuel cell components and testing systems. The store is not just a retail platform, it's a hub for learning and innovation in the field of renewable energy. By integrating science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM, curriculum into their products, the Fuel Cell Store plays a crucial role in educating the next generation about sustainable energy sources. As the world shifts towards cleaner and more sustainable energy solutions, the role of establishments like the Fuel Cell Store becomes increasingly vital. They not only supply necessary components and systems but also drive forward the understanding and application of fuel cell technology. This technology, which converts chemical energy from fuel into electricity through a chemical reaction, is a cornerstone in the development of clean energy systems. Product range and applications. FuelCellStore.com boasts an impressive array of products, making it a one-stop shop for all fuel cell-related needs. The product categories include fuel cell cars, educational kits, fuel cell stacks, testing systems, and components like gas diffusion layers, membranes, and catalysts. Each category serves a specific purpose, ranging from educational tools to advanced components for research and industrial applications. The fuel cell cars and accessories offer a practical demonstration of how fuel cell technology can be applied in transportation. These models are not only educational but also showcase the potential of fuel cells in reducing emissions in the automotive sector. The educational section is particularly noteworthy, providing a range of demonstration kits, teaching guides, and DIY kits. These resources are instrumental in making complex concepts accessible and engaging, especially for students and educators. The fuel cell stacks, available in various power ranges, are at the core of the store's offerings. They cater to different applications, from small-scale projects to larger industrial uses. The Fuel Cell Store's commitment to offering a diverse range of stacks underscores its understanding of the varied requirements in the field of renewable energy. The testing systems and components are crucial for research, development, and quality control in fuel cell technology. These products allow for precise measurement, analysis, and improvement of fuel cell systems, ensuring their efficiency and longevity. By providing these high-quality components, the Fuel Cell Store supports the advancement of fuel cell technology in various sectors. Educational commitment and resources. Education is a central pillar of the Fuel Cell Store's mission. Recognizing the importance of nurturing future generations of scientists and engineers, the store has integrated a comprehensive STEM curriculum into its products. This approach not only facilitates a deeper understanding of renewable energy but also sparks curiosity and innovation among students. The store's educational kits are designed to provide hands-on experience with fuel cell technology. These kits range from simple demonstrations to more complex projects where students can build and operate their own fuel cells. This practical approach to learning helps demystify the technology and encourages creative problem solving. In addition to physical kits, the Fuel Cell Store provides a wealth of educational resources, including teaching guides and lesson plans. These materials are meticulously crafted to align with educational standards and are instrumental in bringing renewable energy concepts into the classroom. By doing so, the Fuel Cell Store is playing a pivotal role in shaping a more sustainable future. The store's educational efforts extend beyond the classroom. They offer resources for hobbyists and enthusiasts who wish to explore fuel cell technology on their own. This inclusive approach ensures that learning about renewable energy is accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or expertise. Technical insights and blog resources. The Fuel Cell Store's blog is a treasure trove of information, offering deep dives into various aspects of fuel cell technology. The blog covers a range of topics, from the basic principles of fuel cells to advanced concepts like ion exchange materials and electrolyzer design. This resource is invaluable for those who wish to deepen their understanding of fuel cell technology. Each blog post is meticulously crafted to provide clear, concise, and accurate information. For instance, articles on gas diffusion layers and membrane electrode assemblies offer insights into the components that are crucial for the efficiency and performance of fuel cells. These posts not only explain the function of these components but also delve into the science behind them. The blog also addresses practical considerations, such as humidity and moisture control in proton exchange membrane (PEM) fuel cells, which are critical for their operation and longevity. Understanding these nuances is essential for anyone involved in designing, building, or maintaining fuel cell systems. The blog's detailed breakdowns help demystify complex concepts, making them accessible to a broader audience. In addition to technical insights, the Fuel Cell Store blog offers practical advice and guidance for fuel cell users. Posts on topics like fuel cell voltage monitoring and ion exchange material laboratory techniques provide valuable information for both novice and experienced users. These resources help users optimize their fuel cell systems and understand the intricacies of their operation and maintenance. Impact and future outlook. The Fuel Cell Store's impact extends beyond just being a supplier of products. It acts as a catalyst for the growth and development of the renewable energy sector. By providing a diverse range of products, educational resources, and technical insights, the store is helping to drive innovation and application of fuel cell technology across various fields. The future outlook for fuel cell technology is promising, with increasing interest and investment in renewable energy sources. As the world seeks cleaner and more efficient energy solutions, fuel cells are poised to play a significant role in this transition. The Fuel Cell Store, with its comprehensive offerings and expertise, is well positioned to contribute to this shift towards a more sustainable energy landscape. Looking ahead, the Fuel Cell Store is expected to continue its role as a leader in the fuel cell market. Its commitment to education, innovation, and customer service will be crucial in adapting to the evolving demands of the renewable energy sector. The store's focus on expanding its product range and educational resources will be instrumental in advancing the application and understanding of fuel cell technology. In conclusion, the Fuel Cell Store is more than just a retail destination. It's a hub for learning, innovation, and progress in the field of renewable energy. Its comprehensive approach to serving the needs of various stakeholders, from students and educators to professionals and hobbyists, makes it a key player in the journey towards a greener, more sustainable future. Want to explore more and join the sustainable energy revolution? Click the link below to discover all that the Fuel Cell Store has to offer and take your first step towards a greener future. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.